Welcome to the channel. Leo never loses, or at least I try not to. So today I'm going to try to explain the anchor system, okay? So we're going to come right here, okay? I'm going to go through all these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 5 points that are very interesting for you guys to learn how to do this. So 1, when and how to choose a strike price. The best time to open a new position and choose a strike price is on Thursday, okay? The ex-dividend day, or Friday, the paid day, when prices often drop. Selecting a strike price closer to the current price maximizes the credit received, which is key goal for the anchor system, okay? So on Thursday, which is the ex-dividend day, all right, the prices usually fall. And that is the best time to get it because you'll get a discount, okay? So you come here, let's say Misty, you click on it, and then you open the options, all right? Let's see here. Right here, trade options. You come over here, pretending today is Thursday or Friday. Those are the best 2 days. You're going to get a discount. So you come here. Let me get out of the way here. Put myself up here. Okay. So you come here. Sell. Okay. A put. Okay. And we're going to go, we're usually going to go 24 to 30 days out. Okay. So you come here. Right there, February 21, okay? And then you're going to scroll down right there. You see 27? We're going to be right there on 27, okay? So we're going to come here right there close to the strike price. So we're going to come here 27, okay? And we're going to go continue. And instead of going with the 200, we're going to go move it to 250, okay? 2.50, all right? 250, medium, good, okay? And then review order and submit. And that's it. And you open your first anchor system, okay? And you collected $250 and it's going to expire on February 21st. That's how you start the anchor system. So now you know how to open a new position on the anchor system, okay? Now, right here, we did this. Now, rolling the position, okay? Each month, I will roll the position either 24 or 30 days ahead to secure the best payout, either by collecting a credit, achieving a lower strike price, or both. If neither option is possible, I won't roll the position. The best day to roll the position is on the declaration day, which is on a Wednesday. The price tends to be higher, okay? So that's the best day on a Wednesday is the best day to roll them because the price goes higher and then you could get a bigger premium, okay? Now, let's move to the other one. Assigning. If I can't roll the position for a credit or secure a lower strike price, I will let it be assigned. I will never pay a fee to roll a position or to adjust to a lower strike price, okay? So in other words, if I have to pay, I will let it get assigned, all right? I'll leave it alone and I'll get it let aside, okay? Now, expiring worthless. If I can roll the position for a lower strike price or a credit or both because my strike price is too low, I will let it expire worthless. Let me show you that so you understand what I'm trying to say here. Let's say Misty, she's at 27, right? and then I got this put here at 24. Okay, but let's say instead of her being at 27, she's at 30. Okay, right now she's at 30, and then this put here is at 24. It's too far away. So if I try to roll it, then probably I won't get a good credit enough. So I just let it expire, and I'll get my money back, and we'll do it again. So I just forget about that one and let it expire. That's what I'm trying to say when I say that, okay? Hope you understand that. Okay, right here now. So you see, if I can't do that, I'll just let it expire. Now, inventory. Okay, once I accumulated 500 shares, any surplus will be sold for profits when market conditions are favorable. Positions assigned under the anchor system will be added to the inventory, but will not be sold through the anchor system. In other words, I will not be selling any calls here, okay? I'm not going to put them here on the anchor system. Only puts, okay? The strategy is then repeated monthly, okay? So let's go back here now. Let's go to the platform. Let me show you here. Okay, you see right here, Connie, I have 600 shares. I'm only going to have 500. That is the inventory I'm gonna have for now. Because remember, I'm building this as I go along. So for now, I'm only going to have this inventory 500. So I have here 100 shares more. So what would I do? I'm going to sell these 100 shares. Okay. Now, right here, NVIDIA. You see NVIDIA right there? I have 600. But yesterday, when all hell broke loose with the new kid in town against NVDY, I put a put on the anchor system right there at 20. Okay. I collected $100 and I added there. Okay. So, but as you could see here, I have 600 shares. So what did I do? Okay, simple. My average with NVIDIA is $20. Okay, that's my average cost. It's $20. Because remember, that's not my average cost. Those people that follow me know that that's not my average cost, okay? I deduct all the distribution that I collect, and then that's how I get my average cost. So anyways, what did I do? Well, I came over here, and I placed right there because this is extra. This is the 100 that I have extra. So sell 100 shares at $24.10. Okay, I'm gonna make $400 whenever she comes in. I'm not in a hurry. Whenever she does. So the extra, I'm gonna sell it like this through here. I'm not gonna sell it through the anchor system. Okay, I'm not. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna sell it straight up and sell for it. So that one I'm gonna sell. The other one that I'm gonna be selling, okay, is Connie, because I have Connie. I have 600 of Connie. So that's the other one that I'm going to sell. See right here. Let's see. Connie, where is she? Right there. I have 603. So when she comes around, not this week, I believe the following week, because she's letter C, the following week. This week now, tomorrow is going to be MVDY. So I'm going to sell her. I'm going to try to sell her on the declaration day, that's when she goes the highest. So on the declaration day, I'm going to sell 100 shares because I only want to have 500. I want to try to build everything to 500. See, Misty, I need 300. I'll let some of these get assigned because I want to build it to 500. So 500 is what I'm going to do and see how it goes. Because remember, I'm building this as we go along, okay? Now, I'm thinking this is going to take care of the NAV erosion because here they're in the positive. Remember, a couple of days ago, I got Tesla right there. She's right now, she dropped. She's at 12.94. But my strike price is 13. So I'm right there. I'm still making money because I collected $70. If you would have bought her straight out on the declaration day, it would have cost you $14.50. You would have been down now almost $200. $300 or almost $150 you will be down, okay? So, and that's where the NAV comes in. So like this, very little NAV. So that's what I'm thinking. When I have more of them here, it's going to be even less. So tell me if you understand what I just explained to you, okay? Maybe I put this a little smaller here. Let me see. Let me get out of the way here. Okay, maybe I put it smaller so it fit there. That way you see everything. Let's see right there. Right there. Right there, okay? And that way you could see, you could come back and look at it and know how I do the anchor system, okay? This is the way I do the anchor system, because they were asking me, where do I get it? When do I sell it? All those important questions. And if you have more questions, let me know, okay? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments whatever you didn't understand, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. And remember, like I always say, there's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is how I'm trading these ETFs, and this is the system that I am creating, the anchor system, okay? You need to do your own research and come up with your own conclusions, okay? Now, having said that, if you want to see how I continue developing this anchor system, subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe to the channel. And also, getting that $1 million in 24 months. I think this anchor system is going to help me greatly to accomplish that, okay? So subscribe to the channel. So hopefully I was able to show you the steps I take to do the anchor system, okay? Right there. Those are the steps that I take to do the anchor system. So hopefully you see them there, and you tell me, what do you think? You think it's a good system? You think we could do it better? I mean, we could always do it even better. So anyways, tell me any comments that you have. Put them down there in the comments, and tell me if you understand, where do I get it? How do I get it? When does it expire? Now remember, right here, these March 21, the only reason I wrote them more than 30 days ahead is because I'm going on vacation on March 12th. I'm leaving. I won't be back until April. Okay, so I want to make sure 2-3 weeks from now I could roll it again to April, or else I would have never done this. Okay, I'm only going to roll from month to month. Okay, never this. So tell me if you understand the anchor system, and if you have any questions, put them there in the comments. All right. So anyways, let me get a drink of my coffee here. Oh, so good. So good. So anyways, I think I'm done here. So like I always say, may the winners be on our side. And I'll see you soon.